Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I got a great video. This is for Shopify Print on Demand. This is the best business model online, and I'm going to show you in just 15 minutes how you can build your very own fully automated store. In this case, I'm going to show you an example in the marijuana or weed niche. Really popular niche online, really easy to sell this on social media. You're going to see exactly how I do it. And this is what I do. I build Shopify Print on Demand stores. I teach people how to build these types of stores. And the real power here is that we get to sell physical products, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, homewares, all without ever touching them. We're never going to order them up front. We're never even going to spend a single penny on inventory. And in fact, we'll be able to sell these products, collect the money up front, and then have everything from the production, fulfillment, shipping, even the tracking numbers, all of that done automatically for you behind the scenes. That's why there's no better business model than Shopify and Print on Demand. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you this example. We'll build a store in just 15 minutes in the marijuana niche. Here's exactly how Print on Demand works. You're going to have designs created, or you're going to buy them ready to go. And you're going to take these designs and add them into your store via your Print on Demand app. I'll show you this. And once you have products in your store, of course, just like any other product, you'll be able to have customers come in, order, and pay. And this is the magical part right here. We're going to be done at this point. Our job literally ends. We collect our profit, and at the same time, automatically, the Print on Demand partner is going to receive the customer and order information. You're not going to have to send it to them. It happens all automatically. And then they go on to create the product, ship the product to the customer, and provide the tracking number via email. You never touch the product. You never deal with the product. You only pay for the product after the customer pays you. That's Print on Demand. The first step towards building this asset, we're going to go to shopify.justinsenior.com. We're going to click Get Started, and this is going to give you a 14-day free trial. All you need to do is put in your store name over here, put an email address and password, and you'll be brought into your store. This will bring you into your home base, your dashboard. You'll see your orders, your products. We're going to get started over here under Online Store. And this is what your store looks like right now. We're using the Dawn theme. This is Shopify's new theme. Really powerful. And we're going to be able to customize this whole thing by clicking the Customize button and bringing into the Shopify theme panel. This is going to allow us to literally point and click at different sections. For example, you have the announcement bar over here. We'll put over here, we can customize. We're building a marijuana store. We'll put welcome all marijuana lovers. We could change the color here as well to an accent color. We'll be able to change that in a second, but it's really as simple as that. When we change something in the editor, it's automatically updated here on the live site. You see our welcome announcement bar, and we literally just point and click to different sections, right? We have the header over here. We can go through, and this is where you're going to add a logo. I already have a logo design, so I'll just come and drag this file over. We can make it a little bit bigger. You can check out sites like Upwork.com, 99designs.com, place it. Here at Upwork, you'll find graphic designers, freelancers who will make your logo. 99 Designs, you could run logo design contests, really high-end designs here, and then place it. You could use the logo templates and build your own logo. So a bunch of different options, but you'll get your logo in your store like the one that I got created over here, and you could space it out, change the width. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, you'll see that it automatically sizes up right over there. We could change to a little bit smaller if we want. You have full control over that. You have full control over every section on the homepage. So we're going to go through all these different sections, but we'll skip down here to the theme settings first. We're going to go to colors, and we're going to go to accent 1. That's going to be our main color. It's going to be used for buttons and backgrounds. And what we want to do is match something nicely to our logo. So I'll pick a nice green over here that matches our logo. Now we'll come over here. I'll show you the footer. We're going to change the color scheme again using that primary color. So we have a bit of our green, black, and white color scheme starting to show up. And now what we need to do is start customizing the different sections. So we have image banner over here. And what we want to do is come over here to select image. We could upload an image. Let's say we go to a site like unsplash.com. Might have some trouble finding imagery for this niche. Okay, we have a couple different options over here. Another easy thing to do, go right under the free images and search through Shopify's stock images here. We could actually go with something like this and select this over here. We could easily sell a product like this in our store, Print on Demand. I'm going to change the sizing to be a little bit smaller. Come over here, see image banner. We'll put for marijuana lovers. You could have a little subtitle here. I'm going to hide it. Here's our button section. We could change this to something like new releases. We could say best sellers. We could have a second button as well if we wanted to. I'm just going to remove this for now. And you see again, we'll save this over here. And as we update it over here, we see that the theme starts to update based on our changes that we made. We have our title, our color scheme, our banner images. We're going to continue to customize over here. And we have the rich text section. This is where we're gonna have a little banner over here. We'll say built by marijuana lovers for marijuana lovers. You could use different words in here if you want. As you build your brand, you'll know best to, or how best to describe it. Again, we'll hide this over here in terms of this little subtitle. Here's a little sample product that we have. Important to check this out. We're going to click on it. It's going to bring us into the product layout page. Here we have different sections that we'll want to customize. We'll come back to this in a second as I continue to customize the home page here. Product section, like we talked about, we'll be able to customize the product page. Here's a collage. I'm going to turn this off. Turn off this video as well. Especially at the beginning, you probably aren't going to have a lot of content that you could use to build a collage. So we'll turn that off. We're going to add in some other sections. We're going to keep this multi-column layout. I'm going to bring this up over into the rich text. What we're going to do here is create a 3-icon layout over here. I'm going to put some marketing text over here. And then for each of these sections, I'm going to upload an icon. And you could find icons at sites like flaticon.com. You want to make sure that you use, here it is, flaticon.com. You could search your niche, you'll be able to find icons. I've already grabbed them. Take those icons, literally just drag them one at a time over here into the image section, and you're going to start building this 3-column layout. I'll do the same for all 3. So I've saved that. Now we have some nice branding icons here as well to really help establish our brand at the top of the page. Once we establish the brand, we need to start selling the product. So we have our featured collection section over here. We removed the collage and video. Now I'm going to add a few more sections. I'm going to add an image banner. I'm going to turn off all the buttons on top of here. I'm just going to go and find a good image. Again, over here, we'll see what shows up. This time I'm uploading an image directly from that Unsplash site. So we have that over here. We can make it a little bit smaller. Now we're going to start itemizing the homepage with some product. So we're going to come over here, add section, featured product, and we'll add that sample product over here. You see it literally shows that entire product area. Now we come down here, go to add section again, featured collection. We could show another collection. Collections are basically just categories here on Shopify. Then we're going to add the email sign-up box. This is super important over here, getting people to add themselves into your email list, which is an asset in itself. And then down here in the footer, I'm typically going to turn off the middle column and come over here and add in some about us text about your brand to help build your brand further. Now we'll come back over here, look at the product page, different sections that we might want to turn on, turn off, for example, care instructions, dimensions, really as easy as just turning off the icon here. See this little share button, we could turn it off, we could turn it back on, you have full control. These are new sections over here with these Dawn themes. This gives you more ability to customize and add branding. So I'm going to come over here and use one of the icons I did before and then add in some text. So I've added the icons back over here and I have to change this real quick, add in this icon, and we'll select that and save. So now we're having a nice little product page that's customized here as well. We've removed some sections over here. We've added our branding. So we really have a nice top to bottom branded site. The site's only a few minutes old. And really the entire idea is you go through the theme panel here and you just customize the homepage, the product page. Everything else is pretty much built automatically through the other template pages. You see, for example, contact page has the header and footer, the logo, all that stuff. It's really the homepage and the product page that we need to customize. And the homepage is all about establishing the brand. So you see what we've done here, top to bottom, right color scheme, logo, imagery, text, headlines, icons, of course, product, more imagery, color scheme again. This is how you build an asset here. In this specific case for the marijuana niche, you'll do the same for whatever niche you choose. So we come back over here, a few more things that I want to show you. Come over here to pages. I showed you the contact page. We're going to add a few more pages, FAQs. You'll want to fill this in with the most popular question and answer, and then something that you should definitely be doing if you are doing a print on demand monthly VIP club. This is basically every single month you'll send the customer a new shirt and you'll automatically charge them, let's say $25. You could use the Bold Subscriptions app to manage that. Now we're going to go over here into navigation and we're going to add it into our main menu. So all you're doing is clicking add menu item, going to pages, then you'll find the pages and add them to the navigation. So I rearranged the pages a little bit, updated them. Here we go. Now we have our FAQ page, monthly VIP club. Again, you'll want to customize those. Once you get set up, this is how you get them running. Now we'll go to preferences over here. See the title and meta description. This is what's going to show up in the actual tab up here. So we'll put our niche store name, and that is Marijuana Lovers Shop, the best place for weed gifts. You can put the same thing down over here. This is what's going to show up when someone shares your site on social media. These two sections, super important, Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Make sure you do not skip these. Very, very important. They show you step by step in terms of how to connect your free Google Analytics account and free Facebook ads account into your store. Next, we'll go to settings. Definitely need to pay attention to payments over here. This is going to how you actually collect payments. You'll want to activate Shopify payments and PayPal. You'd really like to have both if possible. Then you'll go to domains. You see over here we have this ugly.myshopify.com domain. We don't want to use this. We want to go and buy a new domain or transfer in an existing domain. Make sure you grab a nice .com domain so you have some trustworthy store there. Then we'll go to policies over here at the bottom. We want to click on the template button to generate these policy pages. Then you'll come through and actually edit them so they make sense for your store. Then you need to come over to the navigation. This time we're going to go into the footer navigation, the footer menu, and we're going to add the policy pages. We want to have all three policy pages: return, privacy, and terms of service. So I've saved those, and that's going to give us our header and footer navigation updated. So let's take another look at our site again. We're using the Dawn theme here, and the site's really only a few minutes old, less than 10 minutes old. We've got a branded logo, color scheme, navigation, banner image, banner text, headline, icon sets. We're going to be talking about product next, more banner imagery, obviously more product, our email subscription, our footer, some about us text which we'll fill in, our pages like FAQs, contacts, everything like that, our customized product page. We're obviously going to delete this sample product. Now it's time to talk about print-on-demand designs and the actual products that we're going to use to fill up our catalog. So the next step, now that we have a store, we need print-on-demand designs. And there's a lot of different ways you can get them. My favorite, ecomlibrary.com, you're going to get basically a print-on-demand design pack of 50 different designs. You get to pick the niche. These are pre-made, ready to go. You could also check out upwork.com, 99designs.com, Place It. These are all good places also to get designs created. Now that we have our print-on-demand designs, we're going to come over here to apps. We're going to click on Customize Your Store. This is going to bring you into the App Store. This is where you're going to find your print-on-demand app. I'm going to be using Printful. All the apps pretty much do the same thing. You'll click Add App. This is a free app. So you'll add this app into your store. It's going to bring you back into Shopify, where you're going to simply grant permission for your store and Printful to be able to talk back and forth automatically. This creates that automation, and then you'll need to sign up for a free Printful account or whatever print-on-demand company you're using. I already have one, so I'll just click Continue. Last step, just click the Confirm Connection button. This is going to now finalize the setup between Shopify and your print-on-demand app. Now we can actually add product. So I'm going to show you a product over here under men's clothing, t-shirts, but it's going to be the unisex t-shirt. This obviously works for both men and women. You're going to make about $15 in profit every single time that you sell the product. And here's the real power of print on demand. We have this design file. We got this from ecomlibrary.com, those design packs. We have this design file, right? We're going to take this literal file. It's just 189 kilobytes on my hard drive. We're going to take it and drop it right on top of the model over here. And this is actually creating the print-on-demand product. You see, we have the design. You can make it a little bit bigger. You can move it around. You could select the actual model that's going to be wearing the t-shirt. You see we have different options over here. This is a unisex shirt. We'll go ahead and give it a title. We can select a category as well. We'll come over here to pricing. We're going to go $24.99. You're going to see we make about $15 in profit every single time we sell this product. But remember, all we have is this, right? We're not ordering the product up front. We're not storing it in a warehouse. We're not paying for the product to be produced until the product gets ordered. All we have right now is the design file. In the background, Printful is actually creating a purchasable product that's going to be inside of your store. It's already done. So I'll show you the product. Imagine you're a customer. You come to the store that's fully themed for marijuana, color scheme, branding, all that good stuff. Now you see a product that you like. You say, okay, $24.99. I'll get it in large. I'll buy two, one for me and a friend, add to cart. And you as a Shopify entrepreneur, there's nothing else for you to do. Once you make the sale, your job ends. You collect your $24.99 plus shipping for every t-shirt that you sell. And there's plenty of different products. I'll show you a few more. And you'll collect this profit without doing anything else, right? All you need to do, make the sale. Then the print-on-demand company, in this case Printful, they already have the design file. So once the order comes in, they'll produce the product, they'll ship it out to the customer, they'll even give the tracking number to your customer on your behalf. All you do, like I said, sit back, relax, and count your profits. That's the power of print on demand. So the strategy here, you build this asset, you brand it to your niche, color scheme, logo, imagery, icons, then you fill it up with print on demand products that you'll never have to touch. You see the O Cannabis t-shirt, I turned it into a sweatshirt. Here's a couple other designs. We got a crop top. We have this tank top, which is super popular. These designs all came from ecomlibrary.com. And you see, it appears just like any other product in the world. In any other store, right, they're going to go here, pick their options, their size, add to cart. the customer will never know that it's print on demand. But you, as a Shopify entrepreneur, you get to sell this tank top for $27.99, collect your profit, and sit back and relax as the print on demand company literally does everything else. So this is exactly the way to take advantage of print on demand and Shopify, the best business model online right now. There's so many straightforward ways to market your store and find the perfect customer. For example, Instagram ads, these work incredibly well with really any type of product. Facebook ads, you see over here, I've had insane results on Facebook, spending $200,000, making close to $900,000 in sales. TikTok ads, which are super popular right now. YouTube ads, these always work really well. Influencer marketing could happen on TikTok, could happen on Instagram. This is a really, really great strategy. Email marketing, of course, is going to work for any type of brand. SMS text marketing, really popular as well. Google shopping ads, incredibly powerful for e-commerce, really easy to do. And search engine optimization. All of these different ways for you to find the perfect customer, get them to your site to buy your products. These designs were brought to you by ecomlibrary.com. I highly recommend eCom Library. You get 50 designs in any niche that you want. They have over 85 niches. And you get 50 print-on-demand, upload-ready designs for just $47. It's less than $1 per design. You also get step-by-step free Shopify store setup training, so you could literally build exactly what I built over here. Pick any niche that you want from over 85 different niches. Again, you get 50 print-on-demand designs literally ready to go. You just upload them just like you saw in this video. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. But either way, I really want you to jump into print-on-demand, build a store, build an asset, and I hope this helps you make a lot of money.